So we started playing with an idea on a sweep I like, and I catch this, but I never really think about how I catch it, you know? But I had to try come up with a solution, a way to, kind of make it work when someone knows they're doing it, and that's the pendulum sweep. I don't know what it is about that pendulum sweep, but
That's my favorite.
I just love it.
It's so good.
Is it?
It's nice.
Yeah, so a couple things happen, a couple patterns here. And so we're gonna look at the pendulum sweep, and then we're going to, we'll see where we end up with this, because I really enjoyed the class that we taught today. All right? We're gonna play right here. I like the sleeves for this, because we're using, this is, pendulum sweeps, usually this is gonna be a gi sweep. This is gonna be for jiu-jitsu, fighting against your friends and your buddies and other jiu-jitsu people. But, all right, so let's say I want to, you want to start to pass the guard and stuff. I'm controlling here, so there's a couple things. I'm pushing when he tries to drive. See? Those moves. When he tries to pull his arm back, I pull. I bring him forward. And I'm also have my hips up. So now look. I'm gonna control this space, and I'm gonna act like I want an angle. I'm gonna act like maybe I'm trying to take the back. So here, we're gonna be pulling, and the first thing, this is what we're gonna look at. I want you not to think about the sweep yet. I want you to think about just right here. Go ahead. Try to do something that you good. Try to drive, try to grab my collar, See how it's very tough to deal with. Because now I don't have to be fast with this, and I don't have to telegraph it. Before it was like this, you have to telegraph. There's the telegraph. They always grab the pant leg, didn't you? You know how it's taught? 1, 2, 3, 4, and go. And then the guy does that, plants his elbow, and then you have to do something else. All right, sweep. Nah, we'll change the way we approach this. We'll show it a different way. My pressure is in his legs because I'm on my shoulder blades, and then I'm putting my weight into his legs, and I'm controlling here. So that it's gonna force a certain kind of game. Standing up doesn't feel all that great right now. Remember, the pendulum sweep works a lot of ways, man.
Using the swing, yeah, his foot.
He's always working his pass. Let's see where I can find this angle. I put a little tension into the ribs, or to this, driving a little bit. You'll be real careful because it's Jim. Where was the control? It's on that wrist game, right? There's something about this gi, guys. You take the gi and you file it like this, and you push in, and it just hangs out here like the strings on a puppet. So I call it the puppet master, right? Because you're hanging here, and they're trying to reach for cloth, but they don't find cloth, right? So the hand is suspended. It's a weird place to be, and you can get up for a second and create an angle to create some opportunity. But you got to get a grip. You got to create some tension. You have to frame your work, and sometimes you have to wait for the right moment, the right opportunity to do something. Cool? What do you think? A little better? Timing. Watch for the elbow. Encourage in your grip game. Encourage a rotation by pulling when they want to put one elbow in, and allowing one to happen. We're talking about it's like a fishing lure, like a bobber. I want him to think like, oh, I want a grip. No, he's not gonna let it grip. You want to play this game of a push-pull so that they think that like you're doing something you're not. You want to encourage them to bring this, because if they do this right here, this is it. Your indicator to jump on them and take them down to the to the mount area, like sweep them, mount, is when you see this. Boom, go. Boom, you're gone. They will go. Why? Everybody plants like this.
Just stop that.
Where was the elbow? Right here. Go ahead and plant. I bet your face hits the ground first. You see why? It's this.
Oh shit.
Caught you at the right moment.